Hey guys, Todd here with Great Escape Farms. Today I'm going to show you how to make a arch in a garden with a cattle panel. And it's real simple. It's just 4 T-posts, a cattle panel, and I'm using the fence clips to hold it on. I use one at the top and one at the bottom. And what I use this arch for is for running vines up. So I plan on using this one and this one and that one, and I'm going to put 2 additional in over here. I'm going to be using these for my runner beans and for squash and things like that. So various different types of vines. So this is a pathway. That way I get vertical use as well as use over top of pathways that would otherwise not have been used, and I can keep things a little bit neater in here and just have ground stuff be on the ground and not have the vines get all mixed up in it. And I've been doing this for years. You guys may have seen it in some of my other videos. I have this up here. This is a kiba, and I have grapes that are running over top of it as well. So those are perennials, and now I'm going to be running some annuals, and I'm just going to run multiple different hoops here and try to save space. So here I'm measuring the distance between the poles. I'm also leveling them, making sure they're level both ways, and then let's see, they are 36 inches apart and 50 inches across. You'll set that up based on what you want. The cattle panels are 50 inches wide, so 36 worked for me. So in a moment I'm going to put the cattle panel up myself, and that is definitely a task that is much easier with 2 people, and you'll see that in a second here. I did find a way to wedge it and put it in, but 2 people would have made it much easier here. Okay, what you just saw was me putting the poles in. They are equal distance from one another across this way as well as front to back. And as far as how high they are or how low they are in the ground, I didn't measure that too much. I did make sure that they were level all the way around, so they are level. And then I came through and I put the fence clips in the bottom there and pull this level over. And I am just slightly off on level, so what I can do is lift this up a little bit, but I'm pretty darn close, and I checked both sides here and it's relatively level, so that just gives it an overall general good look. So I did put the clips on the bottom, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this level again, and then I'm gonna put the top clips on, and I'll go ahead and get a video of putting one of those on just so you can see it. Okay, this is what the fence clip looks like right here. You can pick these up at Tractor Supply or probably Southern States and on Amazon. And this is called, I think it's called Clip Bender. And I did a product review on this. I'll link to it in the show notes. And what I want to do is go behind, loop that through, go behind there, and come up here, and I want to just flip it over. I think that's far enough, so I'm going to go a little bit further here. There. And that's far enough, I hope. And you can look and see it is secured here and there. And what's securing it is that it's looped around the T-post here. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up on these other corners right here, and then I'll be back. Okay, and that's it for the arch. Kind of simple, and what I will do is plant on the back side here to keep the pathway open and just let the stuff grow up. I'll keep it trimmed so that I can get through the path, and that's the plan for this year. If you have any questions, comments, or better ideas, better ways of doing this, go ahead and leave a message in the comments there. Thank you very much, and have a great day.